Program managers, are you tired of juggling multiple tools to keep track of your task and team responsibilities? Do you feel like you're spending more time managing tools than managing projects? Introducing the RACI app, the solution to simplify your project management. With the RACI app, you can connect all of your task management data from SharePoint, Excel Online, or any other digital table in one convenient place. The app lets you easily view all team projects in clear, concise galleries and spreadsheet layouts. So what is RACI? Going from right to left, I, informed, C, consulted, A, accountable, and R, responsible. RACI. If you've been a project manager or team lead for any amount of time, you've definitely seen different types of RACI matrices. With all due respect, the RACI app is a vast improvement. Let's take a brief tour of what we see. With the app being connected to your data, you can refresh it at any time. To the right, my project manager can see that I have a project to develop new apps. I'm accountable for the project and can email me if they have questions. There are sub-teams assigned, which we'll get into in a moment. You can edit the project and see any notes entered. On to the team members. We see Ashley, who's responsible for UI design, and we see Caroline, who's working on user experience. Ah, there's good old Fred. He'll take care of the promo videos. Great! To the left is a gallery of all the projects. We'll come back to that. But wait, there's more! Just like spreadsheet programs, you can sort the data, and as you probably already know, sorting columns is useful because you have the ability to rearrange data in a meaningful way. Sorting enables you to easily find specific information in a large amount of data, quickly sort your data in ascending or descending order based on one or multiple columns, organize your data in a way that makes sense for your analysis, identify patterns and trends in your data, and it enables you to make better data-driven decisions. In the long run, the sort feature can save you time and effort, provide valuable insights into your projects, and help you simply excel. Get it? Spreadsheet? Excel? All right, tour's over. Let's see a demo of how it works. We'll start by refreshing everything. With the Initiate phase chosen, here's how we arrived at the Oversee app development project I'm in charge of. To view any project, just select one from the gallery. Under Initiate phase activities, there are 5 projects, such as clinic construction, new employee forms, team lead, and weekly meetings. By simply choosing another phase, we can see all projects in those respective phases. And if you haven't noticed already, the employee card's color and RACI abbreviation match the legend at the top. Pretty cool. In an easy to navigate format, and rather than just a spreadsheet of data, we can see and track who is responsible for each project and task and monitor progress in real time. With the app's view of sub-teams, you'll always be on top of task assignments. And if you work in a cubicle, haven't had lunch, and are worried about product support, don't be. We can build the app for you and provide live support as well as follow-along videos to help you. Don't waste your time managing projects via spreadsheet. Get the RACI app today and simplify project management. Stay awesome, have a blessed day, and remember, be epic.